This episode is supported by Skillshare. Do you ever wonder how your brain stacks up to those around you? Well, if you're standing tall beside them, you might be smarter. Researchers have already uncovered that tall people are often higher earners, which was hypothesized to be linked to self-esteem, social dominance, or discrimination against shorter people. However, a 2009 study revealed that taller children have higher average cognitive test scores. Or maybe you're the oldest sibling. A study of 250,000 Norwegian military personnel found that the firstborn had an average IQ 2.3 points higher than younger siblings. This wasn't genetically based, but rather the benefits of full parental attention. When you were a baby, were you breastfed or bottle-fed? A Brazilian study tracked over 3,000 babies to the age of 30. Researchers found that breastfeeding duration and amount was positively associated with IQ, education, and income. Speaking of drinking, alcohol is bad for your brain, right? Maybe so, but the intelligent among us are more drawn to booze. A study found that intelligent children in both the UK and US were more likely to grow up to consume more alcohol. Similarly, a study that assessed the IQ of 6,713 11-year-olds and then followed them up to age 42 found the same thing to be true for drug use like cannabis, cocaine, amphetamines, and magic mushrooms. Why would smart people seek substances that could harm them? Known as the Savannah IQ interaction hypothesis, it suggests that more intelligent people have evolved novel values and preferences. For example, while the majority of us function best during the daytime, the novel environment is the nighttime. Therefore, the hypothesis predicts that night owls are more intelligent, and an analysis of the National Longitudinal Study of Adolescent Health confirmed this prediction. If you find this information worrying, you're likely pretty bright. A sample of 126 undergraduate students found verbal intelligence was a unique positive predictor of worry and rumination. However, people who didn't worry scored higher on tests of nonverbal intelligence. Like daydreaming, a new study has found that daydreamers may be more intelligent, suggesting that people with efficient brains may have too much brain capacity to stop their minds from wandering. Are you a lefty? A study of 96 left-handed and 96 right-handed individuals found that lefties scored greater creativity as well as measures of divergent thinking, the ability to generate new ideas from a single principle. You have little control over being a lefty or a righty, but if you want to take your intelligence into your own hands, consider a music lesson. After only 20 days of music training, a study found that 90% of the preschool-aged children showed improvements in verbal intelligence. While you're at it, quit smoking. Unlike other risky behaviors, a study of 20,000 18-year-old males serving in the Israeli army found IQ scores are lower in male smokers than non-smokers. Maybe abstinence is key? A study that assessed 12,000 teens from grades 7 to 12 found that high schoolers with a higher IQ are more likely to be a virgin. A separate study found this extends into later years as well. By age 19, 80% of US males and 75% of females have lost their virginity, and 87% of college undergraduates have lost theirs. However, when assessing elite colleges, this number becomes much lower. 56% of Princeton undergraduates have had sex, 59% at Harvard, and 51% at MIT. Also, do you find this picture funny? Congratulations, your dark sense of humor is positively associated with intelligence regardless of age and gender. It's important to remember correlation doesn't equal causation, but it is interesting to investigate the variables related to intellect. So, how many categories did you fit into? Let us know in the comments and tell us if it matches up with your experience of smart people that you know.
If you want to become smarter than average, you need to check out our amazing sponsor for this video, Skillshare. They're giving away 3 months for only 99 cents if you sign up in January.
Skillshare is an online community for creators with over 17,000 classes in things like design, photography, and even like cooking classes. I've personally used it for visual effects and improving my After Effects skills. It's been a huge asset for me.
I actually took a writing course. I've been trying to write different things like comedy and sketch. It has helped me so much.
Anyone can take a class. You can even teach a class with premium membership starting as low as $10 a month for unlimited access.
Head to the link below and in the description and start learning.
Thanks for watching and subscribing, and we will see you all next Thursday for a new science video. See ya.